Banff, Mount Brewster. Looks good. Yorkway Ski Hill. Birds are chirping. It's like a ghost town. Oh dear. Cow elk just checking me out on the trail. In bison country. You know, one of my favorite things is hiking in the woods after it rains. It smells so fresh. It's always nice to get out into these trails in the mornings because it's just so peaceful. You gotta love it. Got a Pine Marten in the trees. This is really cool. Part of the weasel family. Second time I've seen one in the wild. Cool little dude. So from the campground, I'm heading up through the forest on just a very scarce trail, but decent enough, you can see it. Just a short little bushwhack until you get out, and the mosquitoes are crazy. That massive boulder. I'm hiking up the big avalanche slope. Looks like it's finally clearing up. I've came up the avalanche slope and now I'm crossing over. The sun's starting to come out a bit and I needed to dry out this rock a bit. It's pretty wet. Pretty nice rock formations up here. Like some fun scrambling. Now you cross over to the trees. See more once I get farther up, but you can see the trail. Thankfully it doesn't look like too much snow. Should be able to do it even if there is. Just to the right of the snow. See how she goes. Of course, now the rock is all drying out. Well, it's starting to clear up now a bit. It was raining quite a bit, so I had to make a decision, and I had to take more of the hiking route than the scramble route, just because I was afraid I was going to get stuck on wet rock. So, might have to do this one as a repeat one day. Well, all fun is not lost. I'm gonna just pick a route and do some scrambling. Rock is dried up. Oh yeah. Rock's still a little bit wet. Thing for my grippy approach shoes. Yeah, some nice slab scrambling. Just gotta watch out for these blocks and see that they're loose. Probably. So you can hear the that? Those are the sounds you don't like to hear. It means that it's not solid, but thankfully I'm only scrambling. These clouds are moving fast. They look dark in the distance. Gotta get moving. Getting there. Feels good. I think that the storms for the most part are staying away. It's good. Love it. Almost there. Well, this is definitely my crux of the day. Gotta find little grooves in the rock. Nice. Boom.
From hell to high water, over that angel bridge, out into the
See? Chaussee. Now I don't trust it. She's not gripping the best on this stuff. wet vegetation.
Beware, oh, take care.
Probably saw footprints down below. Someone's definitely already been here. I'm almost at the summit.
Beware, oh, take care.
Made it.
Beware, oh, take care. Beware, oh, take
Summit. Nice. Made it. Pretty sweet. Nice views. Gotta get down. That descent doesn't look very straightforward with all the snow. So, gonna get at her. That's where I parked. So far away. Well, my string of good luck has ended. I was descending and I slipped and fell. A rock gave way. I was in a good spot, but I landed hard on my right shoulder and I dislocated my arm, I think, or broke it. So I'm on the summit waiting to be rescued by helicopter. These things happen. Thankfully I didn't fall like off a ledge or anything, but yeah, I'm right near the summit, so yeah, a lot of pain and some shock. It can happen to anybody. Stay safe out there. Here they come. Oh man. Thank you so much. It's the first time for everything. It can happen to anybody. Super thankful to the emergency services. No way I could have got down. So an update after I was rescued yesterday. In fact, it is just a dislocation. It's not a break or a fracture, so I got off pretty lucky. But gonna have my arm in a sling for a little bit as I go through physio and recover. So all things considered, it was a good place to fall and could have been a lot worse. But again, a huge shout out to the emergency services, the guys in the helicopter, and then for the rescue, and then also the doctors and staff at Banff Hospital who put my shoulder back into place and were just absolutely amazing. So huge shout out to them. And like I said before, stay safe out there. Cheers.